Okay.
Hi Russia, I'm Miss Eleanor from London. I've been working for 2.5, 3 years now, and I've travelled around. I would recommend very much making sure that you go travelling and that you get to know people and you research. So you want to look up people like Tyrone Proctor, Shabadoo, Anna Sanchez, Dallas Ziegler, Victor, and any sort of battles and jams that you can get to, I really recommend. So Sweden, they have one called Street Star. New York, they do Step Your Game Up. I think they do HDI's coming back. And if you can get to Los Angeles, great. New York, great. Come to London and train with the Wacticianers. Yeah, I would just encourage you to keep dancing and to remember the feeling. That's what I've learned from my traveling, and my teachers have always said, remember the feeling of rapping. So remember that it came from the clubs in Los Angeles in the 1970s.